Good morning, my dear students. Today we'll begin a new lesson from English grammar, kinds of a simple sentence. Children, in the previous class, you have learned about a sentence. What is a sentence? A sentence is a group of words that makes complete sense or that makes complete meaning. Today we are going to learn about the different types of sentences. Sentences are mainly divided into 4 different types. Let us see each of them using examples. The first one, assertive sentence or statement. A statement is a simple sentence that describes an action, fact, or happening. It means they state or declare or assert something. These sentences give some information. So they are called as statements, declarative sentence, or an assertive sentence. A statement always ends with a full stop. Example: the sun emits heat and light through its rays. India had banned 59 Chinese owned apps, including TikTok. When we read these two sentences, we can get some information or they are asserting us something. So they are called as statements or declarative sentence or assertive sentences. These sentences may be affirmative or negative. Affirmative means the sentence which do not have no or not. And negative means the sentence which have not. Example: Sheila likes mangoes. Here we did not use no or not. So it is an affirmative sentence. Sheila does not like apples. Here we have used not. So it becomes a negative sentence. Now the second type of sentence is interrogative sentence or question. An interrogative sentence is a simple sentence that asks a question about something. It always ends in a question mark. Example: what is your favorite color? Is the leopard fastest running animal? When we look at these two sentences, we are asking about something. So they are called as interrogative sentence. The third different type of sentence is imperative sentence. An imperative sentence is a simple sentence that states a command, a request, an advice, or a proposal. Means the sentence which has command in it, like be punctual for school. It is a command. Kindly help me to solve the problem. So you are asking for help. This is a request. Always respect and obey your elders. Here in this sentence we are giving some advice. Let us go boating in the canal. It is a proposal. So the sentence which has command, request, advice or proposal are called as imperative sentences. An imperative sentence always ends with a full stop. Now the fourth type of sentence is exclamatory sentence. An exclamatory sentence is a simple sentence that is exclaimed to state a sudden feeling or emotion. Means a feeling of joy, sorrow, wonder, hate, love, etc. Example: what a lovely flower it is. Here we are expressing our wonder. So it becomes an exclamatory sentence. Hooray! We have won the match. Here we are expressing our joy of winning the match. So this also becomes an exclamatory sentence. Children, I hope you understood today's lesson. Your homework is learn and write the definitions in your book, page number 10 and 11. We shall meet in the next class. Have a nice day.